So we're here on the floor and we're here to unbox a watch that I purchased pre-love from Lux Inn. And this is something that I think is a very interesting watch. There we go. Did a shortcut. This is their box and wow, looks great. Wow, it has scratches. It's not perfect, but they declared that, so that's fine. And yeah, I got this watch because it has a heritage, it has history. It is also, something that can compete with the new Oyster Perpetual dials. So yeah, it's something that is very interesting for me. And what can I say? The bracelet. Yep. I'll do a review of this watch very, very soon. Thank you.